movie recap channels are getting millions of views right now, and some of them are growing fast just by posting these videos consistently. The interesting part is, once you understand how these videos are actually put together, the process becomes much more repeatable. In this video, I'll show you how to create these recap videos step by step, from choosing a movie to generating narration to editing the final video. Hi, welcome back to AI Chief. I'm Lin Kunzi. So let's start by picking a movie to work with. You can go with something you already have in mind, but if you're not sure, we can quickly generate a few options using ChatGPT and use a prompt to see what people are currently watching. Let's run this. For this demo, I'll go with a trending series. Something very bad is going to happen. Now that we have the series, we can move on to building the narration. This step sets up the structure of the entire video. Instead of writing everything from scratch, we can generate a narration that already follows a clear sequence. I'll paste the second prompt and add the series title. Now I'll click generate, and here's what we get. A structured narration. Each paragraph covers a part of the story, and more importantly, each one includes timestamps. This tells us exactly where to find the scenes in the movie. So instead of guessing, we already know what to use. Now, let's turn this into a voiceover. Next, we turn this script into audio. I'm using HeyGen for this. I'll copy the first paragraph and paste it here. Before generating, I'll clean it up slightly so it sounds natural. Now I'll select a voice and click generate. Let's preview it. The pacing sounds good and clear. Now I'll export this audio, then repeat the same process for the remaining paragraphs. Once that's done, all the voice clips are in place. With the audio ready, we can move into editing. I'm inside CapCut. You can use CapCut or any editing software you prefer. First, import your audio files. Place them on the timeline in order. Now we start building the video. Go back to ChatGPT and look at the first paragraph. You'll see the timestamp for that section. Now go to your movie and find that exact part. Once you find it, bring that clip into the timeline. Mute the original audio. Now match it with your narration. This is where everything starts coming together. Now there are a few important adjustments to make. First, keep clips short, around 2 to 3 seconds per cut. Second, remove every alternate clip to break continuity. Third, flip some clips horizontally. This helps avoid detection, and if needed, adjust speed slightly. These small changes help the video flow better and reduce risk. Now continue the same process for the remaining paragraphs. As you move forward, the video gradually comes together. By the end, you'll have a complete recap video. Once everything is aligned, you can add background music. Keep it low so it supports the narration. Add simple transitions if needed. And now, your video is ready. What makes this process effective is the structure behind it. Each step leads into the next, so you're not guessing what to do. And once you follow it once, it becomes much easier to repeat. If this breakdown saved you time, make sure to subscribe to AI Chief. Every week, I test the latest AI tools and share the ones that actually make a difference. And if you want the full workflow checklist, along with all the tools used in this video, you can join the AI Chief newsletter. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.